Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements. TPM2. 0. Secure boot, 4 GB RAM and sufficient disk space. Once verified, back up your important files to an external drive or cloud so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Next, download the official Windows 11 Installation Assistant or create installation media with the Media Creation tool. This ensures you have the correct ISO and avoids incompatible upgrades. Make sure Windows 10 is fully updated before proceeding to reduce conflicts during upgrade. Run the installation assistant with administrator rights and follow on-screen prompts. Choosing to keep personal files and apps preserves your setup, while a clean install starts fresh. During installation, Windows will validate hardware, copy files, and configure settings. Expect several automatic restarts. Monitor for error messages and note any code shown. This helps with troubleshooting. Make sure the PC stays plugged in and connected to the internet so drivers and updates download. Once past the main setup, Windows completes account and privacy configuration. When the desktop appears, install the latest drivers from Device Manager or your hardware vendor to ensure performance and compatibility. Then run Windows Update immediately to fetch post-upgrade patches and driver updates. These fix bugs and improve stability. If something went wrong, installation freezes, boot errors, or missing drivers, restart into recovery, try System Restore to revert, or use your USB installation media to repair or reinstall. If you see an error code, write it down. It speeds up targeted fixes with support or forums.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.